How pod launch initiated.
Pod launch initiated. For democracy, niggas.
Did you just hear that?
I stuck his
You want me to
face,
throw it? You want me to throw it on SOS or not?
If you want to, Dave. I mean, I think we can handle this.
I think so too.
But if you want,
It's not a question. I'd rather have some
Oh
cannon fodder.
My God!
What? What?
You just you activated my hell bomb
How? When?
just now.
I swear to God, I was.
Dropping a pin. East.
C4 is dealing with a shots jam.
Sending in an eagle.
Automaton outpost scrapped.
Oh Jesus Christ! Was that you?
No, that was the DSS.
No, it didn't. 'Cause it didn't say the fucking thing.
Yes,
You
it did.
tried to-
It
no,
said.
you tried to fucking kill me. I'm recording the last little bit of gameplay, and I'm gonna fucking review it. Relationship together, blah blah blah. And then at a certain point, he's like, it felt really weird, but like, I was gaining so much good stuff. Oh my, what the hell? Long story short, it turns out the other guy.
Mission at 30 minutes remaining.
Location.
Oh my God, I hate these
Requesting air support. Liberty, tag me!
Dude, I've literally had to use all my stims because of these flying big bags. I only have one stim left. How are you doing on stims, by the way?
I am full on steams.
Okay.
But we're close to the extraction, so I say we just throw down a resupply there.
That works for me.
Say hello to
Well, as long as it
democracy.
works for you, Daddy. I hate for you to, not experience everything you want. Need in life.
Calling down a support weapon.
That was hilarious.
Found something. Here to exterminate. Requesting air support.
Gaining liberty.
Requesting orbital.
Tagging
Tunnel
map.
breach.
West. 100 meters.
Oh my God, fuck off.
Reinforcing. Calling down supply.
Okay, there's one last bug hole here. What?
Burgers?
I have. Have you?
Have you seen yeah, you guys
Have you?
Have you seen The Office?
Mission at 20 minutes
I'm good,
remaining.
thanks. How are you?
Kala, Afghanistan. Guess. Casey. Oof, that impaler just wrecked himself on a hell bomb.
There you are. Oh no!
I'm making my way to the
Dropping a
south.
pin. South. 300 meters.
No, you dumb bitch. Ow! Oh.
I hate it when your guard dog doesn't do anything. Like it just sits there.
Outpost clear.
Say hello to democracy.
I like being a snipey boy up here.
Squids.
Well, not much I can do about it. What do you want me to do about it?
Take liberty.
Oh! You piece of shit. Where's the fucking drive? Oh, there it is.
Dropping packet. Thank you. Supplies.
Aiming at an eagle.
Get him out of here.
Last reload.
I foresee some bullshit with these cars. So I'm gonna
100%.
get them out of the way.
Requesting orbital strike. Requesting sentry.
I'll tell my mom what you would call the footsteps.
Get some. Get some.
Yeah, you know what you would call the Flintstones if they were black? Okay, he's gotta go.
Requesting sentry.
Oh my god, stop moving, goddamn asshole.
That's called democracy. Heavy, east, 50 meters. Requesting sentry.
You have been a stalwart line of freedom. Extract when ready.
Damn right we have.
Sending in an eagle.
Nothing personal to you, Pappas. No, P4!
Found something.
Oh my god, that was amazing. Alright, you wanna go first?
I don't know if I can make it from here.
I believe in you.
Countdown.
Woo! Right it, baby!
Yeah!
I'm clipping that.
Did I not leave?
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent. L-bomb armed! Clear the area!
Oh, shit!
Countdown initiated. Stand by
John,
for
get in!
takeoff.
John, get in!
Extraction complete.
Oh,
Pelican
you
1 beginning
dick!
ascent.
You absolute asshat. What?